Ecuador's Constitutional Court denied Chevron's request to revise a national court ruling that sentenced Chevron to pay $9.5 billion to the communities affected by serious environmental and social damage sustained during Chevron operations in the Ecuadorian Amazon between 1964 and 1992.
We the people and citizens have said no more to the oil borders, no more mining in our territories. We know that does not guarantee us development for all the peoples and citizens.
The resolution published by the Ecuadorian court argued the oil companies' rights were not violated. Chevron never denied the existence of pollution, but blamed it on Ecuador's state-run Petroecuador, which worked with Texaco in a consortium. Chevron had refused to pay the settlement on the grounds that it was the result of fraud and bribes.
Hoy estamos viviendo un día.
We are living a historic day of resistance of indigenous peoples in defense of collective rights, in defense of territorial rights, and in defense of life.
However, the battle doesn't end here, according to Pablo Fajardo, one of the lawyers of the Union of the Affected. He said Chevron has to pay for the damage caused to over 30,000 indigenous people and campesinos in Ecuador.
Uno es seguir con la acción judicial en Canadá.
First, we're going to proceed with judicial action in Canada. We'll raise the money, which is $350,000, and make the appeal to the Supreme Court of Canada. Second, we will look for other states where it may be possible to validate our judgment.
Despite the victory, the union suffered a major setback. Stephen Donziger, the lawyer leading the case in international courts, was suspended from practicing law in New York by the court of the First Department in Manhattan for professional misconduct. In a statement, Donziger said this decision was based largely on false testimony paid by the Chevron. Denise Herrera, Telesur Quito, Ecuador.